everybody thought it was impossible, 1936, right? But we built one of the man-made wonders of the world. So this and America going to the moon should inspire you as an American man. You can do anything. You can do it. If you can envision it, you can do it. So that's one reason why I love to bring teams out here, is because this was impossible in 1936, but they did it. They found a way, right? So everything in life, man. Somebody said it's impossible to do this. Somebody said it's impossible to go to the moon. But if you really believe in yourself and achieve and strive to do it, take pride in that, and you can do anything. You know what I mean? So that's kind of the big thing for me here, and I hope it inspires you as we go through that. Maybe you can do something unbelievable, you know? Because I think you guys are all capable of doing something really, really special. That's my little spiel. Now let's go have fun.
Scary, bro. Scary.
We just squeeze that phone too hard.
Your first time?
Yeah.
Your first time?
Yeah. We're at Lake Mead, in the heart of Nevada. It's blazing hot. It's like 110 out here.
Feels like a hot tub. It's really nice. You know, it's relaxing from the hot air. It feels really good to watch.